Hello everyone and welcome to QuickCAD. And today we will see how we can minimize the sketching time using double clicks of mouse. So let's get started. Click on New, select Part File. I will select Front Plane, Sketch. I will select Line Command. I will draw a line like this, but I don't want to continue the line in any of this direction. So I will double click the left mouse button to stop the current line, but keep the line command activated. Then I will click on this point and draw a line like this. And I will again double click left mouse button to stop the current line but keep the line command activated. I want like this. I want a new line like this, and I will again double click. So in this way we save a lot of time compared to doing like this. Suppose I will escape key, escape to out. I will select the line command. I will draw a line like this. I will press escape. I will again select line like this. I will draw a line. I will again draw a line like this. Again press escape key and going again to line command and draw a line like this. In this way, in this scenario, we have to every time we have to press escape key and select a line command while drawing a new line. But uh, using double clicks of the mouse, left button of the mouse, we can easily stop the current line but draw a new line like this and save a lot of time in SolidWorks sketching. I hope you like the video and thank you for watching the video.